What's up everyone, it's Cheptiony Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance media, tech and business. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to resign as a foreign company's local representative, as well as appoint a new representative on BRS portal. The two activities go hand in hand. You must make an application for the two at a go in order for you to get a quick approval.
Cheptiony Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptiony, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.
The first step is to log into the BRS portal using your eCitizen credentials. Proceed with your personal credentials. Do not select your organization's account. Once you're logged in, to your far left under your individual account, select foreign company you want to step down from. Click on Maintain Company on the menu to the left. On the new window, select Notice of Change of Particulars of Registered Foreign Company. Click on Apply. Click on Next and enter your postal address and click Next. On the new screen, select Notice of Appointment and Cessation of Company Directors and Local Representative. Click Next. Choose Cessation for the first application. On the next screen, select Cease. Download and sign the cessation document and upload. Attach all the supporting documents from the country of origin indicating the change. These should be notarized. Click Next. Sign the declaration by checking on the box here and pay 550 Kenya shillings to complete the application. Repeat the same process for the second appointment application. Pay the money and you are done. The approval process usually takes time. It is advisable to call or visit BRS offices to follow up if the approval takes longer. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptiony Mutai.
Cheptiony Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptiony, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.